Nicolaus Copernicus, the astronomer who revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Nicolaus Copernicus, 1473 to 1543, was a Polish mathematician, astronomer, and scholar whose groundbreaking heliocentric theory forever changed humanity's perception of the cosmos. By proposing that the Earth orbits the Sun, rather than the other way around, Copernicus challenged centuries of established thought and laid the foundation for modern astronomy. Early life and education. Nicolaus Copernicus was born on February 19, 1473, in Toruń, a city in the Kingdom of Poland. He came from a wealthy merchant family, but after the early death of his father, his uncle Lucas Watsonrode, a high-ranking Catholic cleric, took charge of his education. Copernicus studied at the University of Krakow, where he was introduced to mathematics and astronomy, subjects that would later define his legacy. Eager to expand his knowledge, he traveled to Italy in 1496 to study law and medicine at the universities of Bologna and Padua. While in Bologna, he studied under astronomer Domenico Maria Novara, who influenced his growing interest in celestial observations. In 1503, he earned a doctorate in canon law from the University of Ferrara. Early career and astronomical observations. After completing his studies, Copernicus returned to Poland and settled in Frombork, where he worked as a church administrator. Despite his official duties, he devoted much of his time to astronomy. Using simple observational tools, he meticulously recorded planetary movements and began questioning the prevailing geocentric, Earth-centered model of the universe, which had been widely accepted since the time of Ptolemy. Through years of observation and calculations, Copernicus developed a revolutionary idea, the heliocentric model, in which the Sun, not the Earth, is the center of the universe, and planets, including Earth, orbit around it. This concept contradicted the teachings of the Catholic Church and the scientific beliefs of his time. The heliocentric theory and its impact. Copernicus's findings were outlined in his seminal work, De revolutionibus orbium coelestium, on the revolutions of the celestial spheres, which he completed in the early 1530s, but hesitated to publish due to potential backlash. His theory directly challenged the Ptolemaic system, which placed Earth at the center of the universe, a belief deeply rooted in religious and philosophical traditions. Encouraged by colleagues, Copernicus finally agreed to publish his work. It was released in 1543, the same year of his death. Legend says that he received a copy of the book on his deathbed. His heliocentric model, though not immediately accepted, sparked a scientific revolution. Later astronomers, such as Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei, built upon his ideas, ultimately proving the validity of his theory. Legacy and scientific revolution. While Copernicus's model was initially met with skepticism, it set the stage for one of the greatest shifts in scientific thought. His work inspired the scientific revolution, leading to advancements in physics, mathematics, and astronomy. Galileo's telescope observations in the 17th century provided strong evidence supporting heliocentrism, further challenging the Church's teachings and reshaping humanity's understanding of the cosmos. Today, Copernicus is celebrated as one of the greatest minds in history. His heliocentric theory not only revolutionized astronomy, but also symbolized the power of scientific inquiry in challenging long-standing dogmas. His legacy continues to inspire scientists, philosophers, and thinkers worldwide. Conclusion: Nicolaus Copernicus's contributions to astronomy reshaped our understanding of the universe. By placing the Sun at the center of the solar system, he challenged centuries of established belief and paved the way for modern science. His courage to question the status quo and rely on observation and reason makes him one of the most influential figures in human history.